The Nutrition Week is a public-private sector initiative designed to provide a platform for creating awareness to diversify nutrition plans. It involves commitment of relevant stakeholders in curbing food and nutrition problems in the country. On the government side, the Ministry for Budget and National Planning is to serve as national focal point for the coordination and harmonization of all food-related policies and programs being implemented by various MDAs. It will also initiate and strengthen advocacy for food and nutrition issues in the country.
The ministry is also to provide a forum for exchange of views and experiences among bodies implementing nutrition programs in Nigeria with a view of fostering and strengthening their respective roles. As part of its mandate, this ministry is to initiate and strengthen advocacy for food and nutrition issues in the country. The National Council on Food and Nutrition Secretariat is located in the Ministry of Budget and National Planning to implement the Council's decisions as well as day-to-day operations of the program.
Information Minister Lai Mohammed, however, noted that the private sector must play an active role in curbing malnutrition, especially in northeast Nigeria. He emphasized that malnutrition is a crisis that cannot be addressed by government alone.
Glad to say here that the government realizes that this is a crisis and the government is addressing it. The government knows what the situation really is. We know that every hour 5 children die in the northeast because of malnutrition. We are also aware of the fact that as we speak today, about 260,000 of our children are malnourished in the northeast, and we are addressing all these issues. However, it is the crisis in the northeast must be seen for what it is, and that it is not just a crisis that can be left alone to the federal government, but a crisis in which even the private sector must see itself as a major stakeholder.
The government officials also noted that the revision of the national policy is aimed at reducing the proportion of people who suffer from hunger and malnutrition in the country.
Although nutrition-sensitive interventions remain crucial to devising solutions, it is essential that efforts be intensified to achieve food and nutrition security to address the major causes of malnutrition in our country. Among other things, this requires that policies target the vulnerable groups as primary actors in creating and in implementing the solutions.
They noted that part of the awareness created during this week would include educating mothers on the best nutrition practices at home. Chinomso Amadi, PTV News, Abuja.